Dictation will be started in few seconds. If you are new here, then subscribe the channel for more new dictation. Start. From the aforesaid pronouncement of law, it is vivid that an amended rule cannot affect the right of a candidate who has qualified as per the terms stipulated in the advertisement and is entitled to claim a selection in accordance with the rules as they existed on the date of the advertisement, that the selection can be regulated by stipulating a provision in the rule or laying a postulate in the advertisement for obtaining minimum marks are not prescribed for viva voice before the commencement of the selection process. The authority during the selection process or after the selection process cannot add an additional qualification that the candidate should also secure minimum marks in the interview, that the norms or rules as existing on the date when the process of selection begins will control such selection, and that revisiting the merit list by adopting a minimum percentage of marks for interview is impermissible. The factual scenario in the present case has a different backdrop. Para. The advertisement stipulated that the short listed candidates would be called for interview before the final selection, and mere fulfilling of minimum qualification by itself would not entitle any applicant for being called for interview. Thereafter, in the instruction, the marks were divided regard being had to the level of the post and the technical legal aspects which are required to be dealt with. A concise decision was taken to fix 65% marks for OBC category in toto, that is, marks obtained in the written examination and marks secured in the interview. It is not a situation where securing of minimum marks was introduced which was not stipulated in the advertisement. A standard was fixed for the purpose of selection. Instant is not a case where no minimum marks prescribed for viva voice, and this is sought to be done after the written test. As noted above, the instruction to the examinees provided that written test will carry 80% marks and 20% marks were assigned for the interview. It was also provided that candidates who secured minimum 50% marks in the general category and minimum 40% marks in the reserved categories in the written test would qualify for the interview. Entire selection was undertaken in accordance with the aforesaid criterion. After conducting the interview, marks were added to written test. Thanks for watching.